Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Kaka, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this juicy and lovely passion twist on myself. So a day before, I already prepped my hair for this hairstyle. I washed and stretched it out, and this is me showing you the gel I'll be using for my hairstyle. That is the Shine and Jam, and I'm applying a little bit to the back of my hair to help give sleep while I part my hair. So I decided to show you guys how I part my hair. It's really not an easy task, but if you have two mirrors with you, one in front and one at the back, yeah, mostly if you don't have to hold them, it will actually help you with your hairstyle to ease up whatever stress you have. And yeah, so this is me parting my hair, the back. This is the first part, and it was very difficult to achieve this, but I finally did, and I was so happy when I did. So yeah, I used the rubber band method for this hairstyle. So after every part, I secured the part with a rubber band, and I did this throughout the hair first. I parted all of the hair on my head first before I went into um, attaching the hair extension. Yeah, so So I'm done parting my hair, and I'm more than halfway done installing my passion twist. So what I did typically was to use 3 strands of passion twist for each hair. I had to cut them into 2. Yeah, because I didn't want the hair to be so long. I wanted a short style. Then the next step is to crochet the passion twist right beneath the rubber band, and then use your gel to slick your hair, to put your hair in place, because this hairstyle can be very tricky. The main essence is to look beautiful, but then you have to, like, protect those ends. You really need to protect those ends. Then the next step is to take a piece of the passion twist and wrap round like about 3 to 4 times, then fluff out the hair extension. Fluff it out so much so that you can hide your natural hair in between the hair strands of the hair extension. I hope that makes sense. Okay, yeah, then the next step is to go in with the got to be glue free spray. Guys, this is just something I thought of, and I said I hope it works, and I think it did a pretty good job in holding my hair in place. Yeah, then you twist, and make sure as you're twisting, you're hiding and putting your hair in place. Make sure you're tucking your ends in, tuck them in, since that's why it's called a protective hairstyle. Yeah, so for this style, the glues I used were the got to be glue free spray and the Shine and Jam. Yeah, I used that. So as you down, make sure you also apply more spray and Shine and Jam wherever it's necessary. Yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys to keep on watching and see the details of this video. a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you